Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market update on the NASDAQ 100 index. After a fantastic rebound at these old cloud chart support zone levels of 13,776, which comes from this bottom end cloud chart support zone, as well as these old highs and lows, there was a cluster of support here of 2021. Market then subsequently rebounded back up to the standard line of the cloud here, and that was very close to the front end cloud chart resistance. If we just pop two lines in there, we'll see where that resistance zone came from. You can see it's very close to that level there, and like clockwork it just reversed lower as soon as it was hitting that standard line of the Ichimoku cloud, that purple line there. So that's also a resistance zone. Sold off and then tried to rebound from the turning line of the cloud. So you can see that little green line there. Very nice little rebound there. So far so good, because of this little rally, this is now somewhat of a 50% correction in that rally. So now we could see the continuation of this move higher. We've had a MACD buy signal. Yeah, now do remember, price action is below this bottom end cloud chart zone, so that the outlook remains bearish on the daily. We are trading counter trend. The market could go a lot lower from here because the outlook is still bearish on the daily. For this market to be bullish on the daily Ichimoku cloud, we need to be back above this top end cloud chart support zone. So we're not out the woods yet, but we are swing trading these moves here at the bottom end of the cloud. Rebound from significant support lows back up to cloud chart resistance levels. Now this new support zone here at this standard line, turning line of the cloud there. You can see that's now a key level to watch out for. We might get a rebound from that level, and then another attempt to break through that front cloud cluster of front cloud resistance. We need to get through that level for the outlook to change. Now if we look at the weekly, we can see we're rebounding from the front end cloud. You can see that line there is a critical support zone. So far so good, holding up on the front cloud support zone, and not yet had a significant buy from a MACD perspective. There was a significant sell up here at above the 16,000, but we are swing trading this cloud chart rebound on the weekly. So far that's worked out well. Do remember the monthly and quarterly cloud. You can see how extended this market is from the top end of the cloud. We're very far away from the front cloud support level as well as the standard line of the cloud. Yeah, so there's some significant downside risk still to come over the next 18 months. But so far we are trading the shorter term swing trades. Now let's turn to the 4-hour chart to see what's happening there. And yeah, you can also see how prominent that front cloud resistance is. 15,164 came into play there after the market rebounded from this fantastic support. These are cloud chart support levels, and if we scroll back we can see they coincide well with this low there, as well as this cluster of cloud chart support levels. So the cloud acts as a support zone or as resistance zones depending on which side of the cloud you're trading at or the price action is. So this is still bearish on the 4-hour chart, but there are indications that we are grinding into this massive cloud chart resistance zone. If we can break past that level with increased volume, then the rally should resume. But so far things are still a little bit stressful here in the market. The market's still a bit stressed here, looking at where we are in terms of the cloud. So this front cloud support level there, watch out for potential rebound from 14,539 if the market, if support comes in at that front cloud support level. But we do need to see a break in, digging into, break out past this top end cloud chart resistance zone. Now what is interesting, if we go and look at the futures contract and these two together, there's the 4-hour NASDAQ index. The good news is the futures contract is already back above the top end of the cloud, and it's now testing this front cloud for support levels. So as long as it stays above that 14,600 zone, it looks like the rally's starting to take some shape, that we might get a price action on the 4-hour for the index back above the cloud. And then on the daily, the only area we can go to is back up to this cloud chart resistance zone, and then we need to break out past that level. So it's going to be a slow grind, but do remember some encouraging signs on the futures contract on the 4-hour time frame. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.